If you are trying to choose between Leonardo AI and OpenArt AI in 2026, you are basically deciding between two powerful AI image generators with very different strength. In this video, we'll break down the key differences in features, image quality, pricing, and who each tool is actually best for. What they are. First, quick overview. Leonardo AI is a powerful, professional grade AI image generation platform focused on high quality assets, game design, concept art, and production ready visuals. OpenArt AI is more of a creative hub and AI art platform that combines multiple models, prompt tools, and community driven image creation. So one is more pro production focused, the other is more flexible and experimental. Image quality and models. Leonardo AI stands out for consistent, high detailed outputs. It gives you strong control over style, lighting, and character consistency, which is perfect for branding or game assets. OpenArt AI, on the other hand, gives you access to multiple AI models, including variations of stable diffusion style generators. This means more variety, but sometimes less consistency depending on the model you choose. Bottom line, Leonardo AI equal more polished and consistent results. OpenArt AI equal more creative freedom and variety. Features comparison. Leonardo AI focuses on fine-tuned image generation, real-time canvas editing, training your own custom models, production-ready asset workflows. OpenArt AI focuses on prompt exploration and remixing, access to multiple AI models, community galleries and inspiration tools, easy prompt-based generation. So if you want control and production tools, Leonardo wins. If you want inspiration and experimentation, OpenArt wins. Pricing. Leonardo AI usually runs on a credit-based system, with premium tiers for higher quality generation and faster processing. OpenArt AI also uses subscription-based plans, often giving access to multiple models and higher generation limits. Who should use what? Use Leonardo AI if you are a designer, game developer, or content creator, if you are needing consistent high quality visuals, and if you are working on professional projects. Use OpenArt AI and go for it if you are an AI art enthusiast or beginner, if you are experimenting with prompts and styles, and if you are looking for inspiration and variety. Final verdict. In 2026, there is no clear winner, just different purposes. Leonardo AI is the better choice for serious production level work. OpenArt AI is better for creative exploration and quick idea generation. If you want, you can even use both together. OpenArt for ideas and Leonardo for final polished results. And that is the comparison between Leonardo AI and OpenArt AI in 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.